Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by shutting off the water supply and clearing the area. This prevents surprises. Once done, remove the tank lid and set it aside on a towel. Next, flush and watch the mechanism. Note whether the fill continues, the flush is weak, or water leaks into the bowl. Inspect the flapper, chain, and float immediately. Look for cracks, misalignment, or slack in the chain. If parts look obviously worn, prepare to replace them. Have basic tools and a replacement flapper ready. Now you disassemble just enough to get a clear view. Detach the chain from the handle arm and move the float to its range. You want to diagnose, press the flapper and watch for air bubbles or slow seepage. This tells you if the seal is failing. Examine the fill valve and float cup for mineral buildup, which can stop proper shutoff. Clean or replace clogged parts. Adjust chain length so the flapper seats fully. Too short or tangled chain prevents proper sealing and causes running. Replace the faulty component and reassemble with care. Make sure the new flapper seats squarely and the refill tube is clipped above the overflow. Once installed, turn the water back on slowly and let the tank fill. Adjust the float so the water stops at the marked waterline. Test with 3 full flushes, watching for repeats of the original fault. If the toilet still runs, check the seat surface for warping and the overflow height. As a troubleshooting tip, use food coloring in the tank. If color appears in the bowl within 10 minutes, the flapper seal still leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.